Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make chicken karhai. So let's start. So we have 2 pounds of chicken. Turn your heat on medium high. Half cup of oil. Now I'm going to add our chicken. We are going to fry this chicken until it will change color. Now I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and we are going to keep frying it until it will become golden brown. Now we are going to add 3 large tomatoes. They are peeled and diced. We will cover this for 6 minutes. Now we are going to check our chicken. Yeah, our tomatoes are tender now. Now we are going to add our spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. If you would like to, you can add karhai masala for extra taste. However, I am not adding it. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed cumin, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now we will turn our heat on medium-low and we will keep frying. And 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander. And I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grinded onion paste. Usually we don't add onions in chicken karhai, but I'm adding it because it will help to create more masala. If you don't want, you don't have to add it. I have 2 green chilies. I'm going to add 1 right now and 1 later. Now I have half cup of yogurt. I will add 2 tablespoons right now and remaining later. Now I'm going to add remaining yogurt. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water and we will cover it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Let's check our chicken. Now is the time you can check your spices if you want to check salt or chili pepper. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and julienne ginger, few pieces, and little bit more green chili. Let's see if our chicken is tender. Needs little bit more time. So I'm adding splash of water. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander right now and remaining later. And we will cover it and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes on medium-low. Let's check our chicken. Yes, our chicken is cooked. If you like extra gravy, then you can add a little bit more water. So just adding little bit water. Remaining 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So total 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice garam masala, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cream. And turn your heat on low. Little bit more cilantro, green chilies, and tablespoon of butter. Just for 1 minute we will cover it and we will turn it off. We are going to dish it out. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy.